We've all felt it. That moment you walk into a luxury hotel room and everything just feels clean. Not just tidy, but pristine, crisp, fresh, and almost too perfect to touch. The bed is perfectly made, the air smells divine, the bathroom sparkles, and even the towels seem to say, "You deserve this." So why can't we get that same feel at home? Well, the truth is, you absolutely can. With the right techniques, a few smart habits, and the perfect finishing touches, you can transform your space into a sanctuary that gives off major hotel vibes every single day. Step 1. Start with a blank canvas. Declutter like you mean it. Before anything else, hotels feel clean because they're uncluttered. No piles of paper, no overflowing laundry baskets, no random knickknacks on every surface. Clean starts with clear. Decluttering is your first move. Be ruthless. Ask yourself, if I walked into a hotel and saw this item here, would it feel relaxing or messy? Keep only what's functional or beautiful. Stash away cables, remotes, loose items, and unused appliances. Think minimal, but not sterile. Pro tip, use trays or baskets to organize grouped items. It looks curated, not chaotic. Step 2, master the art of the bed. Hotel sheets at home. Let's talk beds, the centerpiece of any hotel room. Hotel beds look inviting, luxurious, and crisp, and you can recreate the same at home with a few key tricks. Invest in quality white bedding. White isn't just classy, it reflects cleanliness and freshness. Use a mattress topper for that plush, cloud-like feel. Hospital corners and perfectly tucked-in sheets add an instant polished vibe. Stack 2 to 4 pillows. And don't forget the finishing touch, a folded throw or a decorative cushion. The secret? Hotels don't use magic. They just focus on detail and consistency. Step 3, smell matters. Set the scent scene. Ever noticed how high-end hotels always smell incredible? That's not a coincidence. Scent plays a massive role in creating that clean feel. At home, you can elevate your space by using essential oil diffusers, reed sticks, or even simmer pots with lemon, rosemary, and vanilla. Choosing a signature scent for your home. Lavender, eucalyptus, sandalwood, or white tea are great options. Keeping trash bins clean and deodorized, especially in bathrooms and kitchens. Washing linens and curtains regularly. They hold on to stale odors. The goal is to make your home smell like a calm, relaxing retreat, not like last night's dinner. Step 4, surfaces that sparkle. Clean like a pro. Hotels shine because they're cleaned professionally and frequently, but you don't need a full staff, just the right routine and products. Focus on wiping down surfaces daily, kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, coffee tables, using microfiber cloths and the right cleaners for a streak-free finish, cleaning mirrors and glass. These are huge in creating a fresh and clean look, disinfecting high-touch areas like light switches, door handles, and remotes. And here's the kicker, always finish with a polish, a surface spray that leaves a subtle sheen or scent behind. It's that extra that makes all the difference. Step 5, bathroom goals. Shine, sparkle, spa feel. Your bathroom can easily rival that of a 5-star suite with a little love and attention. Here's how. Use matching towel sets, neatly folded or rolled for that spa touch. Keep countertops clear with just a few essentials displayed stylishly. Add a candle, a small plant, or luxury soaps to elevate the space. Deep clean the tiles, faucets, and shower glass. Nothing screams not hotel like water spots or soap scum. Use fluffy white robes or bath mats, because why not treat yourself? Remember, in hotels, bathrooms aren't just functional, they're designed to make you feel pampered. Step 6, lighting the mood. Bright, soft, and layered. Lighting changes everything. Most hotels use layered lighting, a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to set the mood, and so can you. Swap harsh overhead bulbs with warm-toned LED lights. Use lamps, wall sconces, or candles to create cozy corners. Add dimmers if possible to control the intensity of light based on the time of day. Keep windows clean and open during the day to let in natural light. Well-lit spaces look cleaner, feel bigger, and instantly boost your mood. Step 7, daily touch-up routine. The 15-minute hotel hack. Hotel rooms feel clean every time because they're maintained every day. You can mimic this by creating a 15-minute daily reset routine. Here's what you can do in those 15 minutes. Make the bed, wipe down main surfaces, fluff pillows and fold throws, empty trash bins, quick sweep or vacuum the high traffic areas. Consistency beats perfection. A little daily effort equals that hotel fresh vibe 24/7. Step 8, texture and touch. Make it feel expensive. What separates a regular clean room from a hotel clean room? Texture and quality. Add a plush rug or soft slippers by your bedside upgrade suede to high thread count sheets or sateen finish. Place a velvet or faux fur throw on your sofa. Use ceramic trays or glass containers for toiletries or coffee stations. Introduce wood, marble, or metal accents for that luxury feel. Clean is about more than what meets the eye. It's how your space feels when you touch, walk, or sit in it. Hotel clean is a lifestyle, not a budget. You don't need marble floors, a maid, or a 5-figure interior designer. Now go ahead, bring the hotel home.